YouTube. This is John's Jeep 4x4. I ordered this in the mail, or on the internet, and got it in the mail the other day. It's from Prime 4x4. It's a switch panel for the Jeep Cherokee from 84 to 96 model. Well, let's open this up and see what we got inside. Okay, we got it opened up. We got the panel here. Smells some steel. Feels pretty good. This replaces the clock on the dash of the Jeep Cherokee. Got your hardware here, your little spacers, some gaskets for the switches. You got your instructions here. Pretty well laid out. When you replace this clock, it's in the dash. It's useless. And then you could have a switch panel that looks like this when you finished. It shows you have to use the square switches, which I'm going to use. I give us a good review. I like this product. It seems to be pretty nice for what I paid. I paid roughly $25 for it, which I think it's well worth it. It's better than having a useless piece of plastic on my dash I can't use a switch on. But we'll get this installed and hook it up, and I'll shoot some videos of it later. I give this 2 thumbs up from Prime 4x4. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.